Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Prepare yourselves for this Shib news. Shiba Inu changed the game. Ideally designed to take advantage of the excitement surrounding Dogecoin in 2020, Shiba Inu is a meme coin. Shiba's use value has grown over time. Nevertheless, in addition to being one of the top meme currencies available, the Shiba team, for example, just unveiled a Layer 2 solution that will aid in scaling and improve it even further for regular payments. In order to gain traction in a rapidly expanding market, Shiba also recently unveiled a metaverse. Prepare yourself for some Shib news as we discuss how Shiba Inu altered the game in this video. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. Significant bankruptcy in the cryptocurrency industry and weak macroeconomic headwinds have caused significant price swings in Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market. The value of Shib has increased by as much as 60%, despite the decline of other cryptocurrencies. In August 2020, the ERC20 token Shiba Inu made its debut on the market. Even though Shiba Inu was merely developed to capitalize on Dogecoin's rising popularity, it ended up becoming one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies ever, rising by more than 48 million% by the end of 2021. Investor positioning may be indicated by the trading volume, which is the total amount that is moved between buyers and sellers. CoinMarketCap data indicates that 27,747,491,000,000 and 4,661 Shib, or 27 trillion tokens valued at $332,000, were exchanged in the past day, despite the fact that this information is rarely examined. At 0:12, Shib was up 0.53% over the previous day. In a recent tweet, Satoshi Kusama announced a meeting between Unification and the Shib development team. The meeting then indicated that the last stages of the Sharium update were approaching. Satoshi did restate that the update will be available shortly, but this is in line with other remarks that used similar language. According to You Today, the Shib community posted Discord chats earlier this week in which Kusama said he was putting a nice bow on it, possibly alluding to Sharium. In the same report, Trophius, another prominent Shib developer, made a similar statement, stating that they will do documentation and beta testing after the Shiba.io website has been upgraded. On the other hand, the community as a whole is feeling optimistic about the discussion surrounding Sharium's beta release in 2023. Following Sharium speculation, the market's second-largest meme currency increased by over 3%. As a result, it rose to rank among the top 10 coins bought by big Ethereum wallet owners. Shiba Inu are expected to be huge in the fashion world, according to You Today, since there have been rumors that an Italian fashion designer will include them in his most recent collection. Shiba Inu has already made its way into the mainstream of business, as evidenced by the numerous cryptocurrency payment processors that take Shib, including fast food restaurants with Shib themes. This time, the meme coin is entering the fashion business with a clothing line with a Shiba Inu motif, according to a Binance article. Earlier, Italian fashion designer John Richmond unveiled his most recent collection on Twitter. The varsity jacket bore the designer's initials, JR, and Richmond tweeted a street-style design with the term Shiba printed on the shirts and pants. According to Binance, Richmond said that the image was a preview of the collection. Furthermore, the designer had previously shared a photo of a hoodie along with a slew of other tags, including the hashtags #ShibaFashion. Richmond is a well-known designer as well. Famous rapper Snoop Dogg and others have donned his clothes. It's interesting to note that the account's profile picture is a caricature of a Shiba Inu dog breed, rather than the Shiba Inu's official emblem. John Richmond and Shiba Inu announced their collaboration in 2022, and the designer would wear Shiba apparel in fashion shows like Milan Fashion Week. The designer has not yet disclosed when the Shib-themed apparel line will be on sale. According to the analysis, hype plays a major role in Shiba Inu's price performance, and the more exposure the meme coin receives, the more likely it is to rise. Partnerships like the one with John Richmond are crucial in this situation. According to the study, Richmond's designs aid in exposing the cryptocurrency to a market that may eventually become cryptocurrency investors. Amazon's alleged Web3 plan was revealed a few days ago, but it's still unclear what the project will look like when it's finished. An NFT marketplace, gambling, or anything similar may be a part of Amazon's project, according to a CoinDesk report. The paper went on to say that the project would be killed before it started because to the regulatory complexity and uncertainties involved, or that Amazon has the size and scale to dominate the market and mainstream the Web3 economy. The research also said that because of the legal ambiguities, big blue-chip companies tended to steer clear of Web3. Indeed, there have been attempts to incorporate stablecoins into the networks of payment corporations such as Visa and MasterCard. According to the research, huge tech and TradFi companies frequently invest in the cryptocurrency economy, and many cryptocurrency nodes are housed on Amazon's cloud service, AWS. They still support the idea of decentralized ownership, though, and are participants in the Web3. The report went on to say that unclear regulations and a lack of transparency are obstacles. If Amazon is successful in resolving the regulatory problems, their efforts could have a transformative effect. The cryptocurrency token is still on track to have increased by over 43% this month, making it its greatest month since October 2021, when it skyrocketed by an incredible 830%. The bulls have been raising their voices ever since Shiba Inu broke above its 200-day simple moving average earlier this month, marking the first time this level has been consistently broken since 2021. They should be mindful, nevertheless, that Shib saw a notable bearish technical development earlier this month. Shib verified a downward trend connecting the highs of August, October 2022, and January 2023, indicating a potential short-term bias for the cryptocurrency. Shib traders should keep an eye on how the cryptocurrency token responds to the 0.11 support region if this week's major events have an impact on it. A break of the pattern would allow for a test of the August and October peaks at the 0.15 and 0.18 levels, respectively, according to analyst John Eich of CryptoNews.com. Eich draws attention to data from Intel the Block that indicates that the number of Shib tokens with unrealized profit exceeds the number of tokens at the break-even point and experiencing unrealized losses combined. Investors would choose to support a Shiba Inu price increase over selling the token, according to Intel the Block's IONAP model, particularly with the Sharium protocol rollout imminent. Near the conclusion of last week, the IONAP model indicated that 69.95% of the supply of Shib tokens were in the money, whilst 27.5% were out of the money, and roughly 3.2% were near the break-even point. Longer term, analysts at Business 2 Community are optimistic about Shiba Inu in 2023, based on the idea that the developers of the coin would keep increasing its usefulness through the growth of the Shiba Inu Web3 ecosystem. They contend that these use cases might propel the asset to 0.00004, or an approximately 250% increase from current levels, as it will play a crucial role in the Shibaverse and shibaswap. They continued, "We estimate that the Shib price could cross 0.00001 by the end of 2025, with the Shib community expected to grow even further and the developers of Shiba Inu still working on their metaverse and decentralized exchange." Satoshi Kusama, the chief developer for Shiba Inu, has released a mysterious update regarding the impending debut of Sharium, the eagerly awaited Layer 2 network. Kusama recently advised her Telegram followers to keep popcorn on the ready. The Shiba Inu community is speculating that Sharium's launch may be imminent as a result of the message. According to You Today, the principal Shiba Inu architect recently made another enigmatic hint about Sharium's upcoming release, referencing a heart-shaped box in his Twitter status update. The community is excited to see what Kusama and his crew have prepared for them, and the launch has been made even more exciting by the rumors that the date will fall on Valentine's Day. The Shiba Inu community is anticipating more updates from the development team as the debut date draws near. For the Shib community, Sharium is an exciting development. The Layer 2 solution's capacity to facilitate quicker and less expensive transactions may have a substantial effect on the token's uptake and usage.